This year, a total of 18,776 students appeared with whole, means all the subjects, and 17,193 students have passed. 17,193 students have passed, thereby registering a pass percentage of slight 91.57%. One interesting fact is the gap between the girls and the boys passing is not that big. It's just 8%, if you not 0.7%. Girls and boys passing this year, it's just 0.7%. That means boys, 91.18% of the boys are passed compared to 91.94% of the girls who have their performance. There is a factor which is linked to it. You will understand it when we present the next slide. Okay, so last 6 years, if you see, the results percentage, pass percentage has been improving, and last year it went up to 90%. First time it crossed 90%. This year it is over 90. It's around 91.57%. Again, there are factors which contribute to this high pass percentage. The next slide. Just slide before that. Slide before. Just before that. Yeah, boys, before that. Yes, you can see the number of girls and boys who appeared and passed. Definitely there were more girls who appeared, and of course the pass percentages of girls is more by 0.7%. Okay, now CWSN. See, we had a total of 184 students who answered with different concession under children with special needs, of which 161 of them have passed the exam. There are 3 special schools. Of course, there are, in fact, there are 4, but 2 of them are run by the Lok Vishwas Pratishthan. And these 184 students are from those schools as well as from normal schools who answer under the inclusive scheme, the scheme of inclusive education. The board gives them a lot of concessions, and 161 of them have cleared the exam. NSQF, which is the feature which was introduced from last year and which contributed partly to the 90% pass percentage. In fact, this year, 202 students out of 1,782 students have passed. Out of 1,782 who offered this additional 7 subject, skill-based subject, only in government schools. I repeat, skill-based subject which is offered only in government schools. 202 students have passed who otherwise would have failed the